Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahar here from Alva Technologies, and today we will take a look at the software and hardware features of the OnePlus 2. So, let's begin. Now starting up with the software features, on the extreme left of your home screen you will find Shelf, where you will see all your frequent applications which are used by you and frequent contacts. You can also add widgets by tapping on edit and you can move them around as you like it. Now you can also add widgets that are available for you to add on the home screen. Simply by tapping on add button, you'll see all the list of widgets that are available. You can add those widgets over here and you can use them, and you can free your home screens from widgets. So that will make your home screen look much neater. Now you can also disable the shelf feature if you don't like it, but in my personal opinion, it is a very good feature. Now unlike stock Android, you can mess up with the toggles just by tapping this button, and you can rearrange the toggles as you like. All you need to do is just hold the toggle that you want to move around and just drag it to the place where you want to place it. So that might come in handy for those people who want to move their important toggles on the top. Now just like the OnePlus One, the on-screen navigation button makes a return over here. So you can switch off your physical buttons and you can switch on the on-screen navigation buttons. Not only that, you can swap between the back button and the multitasking button if you are from a manufacturer who keeps the back button on the left side. So that is the smart thing done by the developers of the Oxygen OS. Now you can also turn on and off the backlight of the physical touch capacitive buttons that are available if you want to. Now you also have long press action and double tap action. So as you could see that I have kept open camera application if I double tap on the home button, and it will quickly launch the camera application. So that might come in handy. Now you can also keep that as a long press action for the home button. Now you have few things that can be done with the double tap and long press action. If you select that, you'll see the predetermined actions that are available. All you need to do is just select that, and when you double tap, you'll see that. So that is really simple and might come in handy in a lot of situations. Now even gestures have made a return on the OnePlus 2. You have double tap to wake up the screen. You also have screen of gestures like open camera if you draw O, toggle flashlight, and you also have music control. Now let's quickly take a look at the gestures. So if you double tap, the screen will turn on. Let's draw O, which will open camera application. And you can also turn on the flash by just drawing V. You can also switch it off again by drawing V. Now if in case you are listening to music, you can also change the song and you can go back to the song by simply drawing arrows. So these screen off gestures might come in handy for a lot of people. Now moving ahead, you can also customize the look of the device when it comes to software. By going into customization, you can enable dark mode if you like dark colors like black. And you can also change the accent color. So you have different color options like this green one, which I have applied, which looks really cool with the black color. Now next feature is app permissions. So if in any application you don't want that particular application to use your location, you can just simply turn off the location settings, and you can also play with other settings if you want. Now those were some cool features when we talk about the software side of things on the OnePlus 2. Now getting into the hardware side of things, the OnePlus 2 comes with fingerprint reader or fingerprint scanner. You can add up to 5 fingers for that, and you can also turn on the device when the device is completely locked by simply placing your finger on the home button. OnePlus 2 is one of the first smartphone to have USB Type-C port where you can connect your USB cable in any manner you want and you won't break the USB Type-C port. Now next comes the laser autofocus, which was only present on the flagship device from LG, but it is now present on the OnePlus 2. It allows you to quickly focus on the subjects without requiring you to tap and focus on the subject. Now since OnePlus 2 is a flagship killer, OnePlus had to add some extra efforts. So they did that by adding alert slider. Now with alert slider, you can push the alert slider button in between if you want priority notifications. You can move it to the top if you want only alarms to ring, and you can move it to the bottom if you want to hear all the notifications. So that is really simple. So guys, these were some cool features on the OnePlus 2 when it comes to hardware and software. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, make sure you hit that like button down below because it helps us a lot. You can also subscribe to our channel if you want to see more such videos in the future, and I'll be coming up with a lot of reviews and unboxing of other devices, so make sure you subscribe to our channel, which is all about technologies. You can also follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Instagram, Snapchat. All the links will be in the description down below. So follow us over there, ask us questions over there. We will try to answer most of them. And this is Saurabh Nahar here from All About Technologies. Thank you guys for watching.